I'm going to show you in this video how I actually make my trades and not miss out on those important coin pumps and be able to catch them and ride through the wave. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, for this video, we will be focusing on coin market cap. So what we're going to do is we are going to use Polkadot as an example. So just search for dot there. So now that you have Polkadot here on your screen, on the left side, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says tags. You're going to go ahead and click on show all. And then you will check out what ecosystem that cryptocurrency belongs to. And what we could see here is Polkadot ecosystem. So what we're going to do is we are going to exit out of that, scroll up to the top, and then highlight cryptocurrencies, go to categories. So go ahead and click on that one. Now, there's going to be a lot of crypto tokens here. What we're going to do to make things easier is we could just go ahead and put in Polkadot. There you go. And then you will see Polkadot ecosystem. So go ahead and click on that one and it will show you all the tokens that belong to the Polkadot ecosystem. Alright, let me go ahead and show you inside options, guys, and the benefits of what it can do with your trades. If you want to make money through this project, guys, this is an ideal trade alert for you, and it is called the inside options. So this is the website, guys. You will see that they have the notorious MIT Blackjack team. So you might have already seen, guys, the one that stars the Kevin Spacey and Jim Sturgis. It is the story of the MIT students that actually used the counting to make millions of blackjack tables. Now guys, Inside Options is a very good project that could help you get more wins through your trades by following the alerts that are given by professional traders. This is the best part with Inside Options, guys. If you are unable to achieve a return on your membership in under 45 trading days, they will provide you with 100% money back guarantee as long as you follow the strategy that they designed and outlined within the trading documentation. So this is something like an assurance to you, wherein if you follow their guidelines and if you follow their trades and strategies, is that you will achieve a return on your investment. So go ahead and check them out. Now let me go ahead and show you my actual account that I have here. So as you can see, my performance in July until January. So you will see the graph on your screen right there. And it is because I was following the trade alerts that I am getting through their Slack channel. And I will show that to you. Let me go ahead and refresh my account here. All right. So this is my dashboard. And let me actually go ahead and check out the holdings tab for you. So this is my holdings tab, and you will see the withdrawals and the deposits that I made ending in 207,203. And you will see, guys, the chart and how much I was getting out of the trades that I was doing. So this is their Slack, guys, and this is the wins channel where people are sharing their profit and loss percentage. As you can see, there's 172 wins. You have also $840 win, and guys, this one right here is 336 more, 4,600. And another one, guys, is this one. The unrealized P&L is actually at 12,184 and still growing. So let me go ahead and close that out, and I will actually show you more. And this one, guys, is insane. The starting balance is 26,790, and then the ending balance is actually at 39,100. And that is because they are following the trade alerts that they are getting here. So you will see you have the trade alerts right there. Okay, you have the ins and outs. You have the buy and the sell. You have the quantity, so the LPT, the buy and the sell. You have all of the signals that you need that you could just execute on your trade. And just so you know, guys, not every trade is going to give you profit, but what matters the most is that you are getting more wins, more percentages than the losses that you are getting. And you will get that just by following their trade alerts. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you go ahead and check out Inside Options. The link to that will be in the description of the video. What we're going to do next is one of the most important things that you need to do first. All right. So you will see the 7-day percentage. So go ahead and click on that one. It will show you the positives. So it will order that from positives down to the negatives. Now it's going to be in descending order, showing you the highest negative percentage already. So right now we have Kulupu as 51.63%. So that really took the hit, and it dipped really hard. Now we are going to be looking at the 1 hour percentage. So look for those tokens that just started climbing. So like 1 to 2% higher. So like this one, this will be a good one for you to check out and see for yourself if this is something that you can ride the wave. Maybe just a short position or a long position. All right, so 1.24%, you have 1.5% here as well. So still trying to recover. So those are some good tokens that you could go ahead and check out. So this is also 0.47. Let's click on this one, Mnet Pioneer. All right, so you will see that it's still trying to recover and slowly going up. So this is something that you might want to go ahead and do your technical analysis on. This would have a good potential to climb more and hopefully you could ride the wave. Hopefully it goes up by 10 or 15% or more. But this is one good thing that you guys could do when you are trying to hunt for those tokens that really dip and are starting to get back and bouncing back to getting more gains already. Okay, and of course, make sure to stay until the end screen videos. I'm sure those videos will definitely be helpful for you with your crypto journey. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. Let's make money together. I'm out. Peace.